everybody, I'm Hannah Miller. I'm the Senior Community Educator for the Stormwater Division with the City of Winston-Salem, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rain barrel. A rain barrel can be a really great tool to help you reduce your stormwater impact, as all that water running off the hard surfaces can actually be captured and reused to water your gardens, as an example. So I'm going to do this using some pretty simple supplies. I'm just going to be using a 20-gallon plastic trash can. You can also do this with a larger food grade barrel if you have access to that. That can actually help you capture a lot more water than what my 20-gallon barrel here will be. So
these are the other supplies that you will need to make a rain barrel.
So first I'm going to take the safety glasses, safety first. Then we are going to use our drill and spade bit. I'm using a 3/4 inch spade bit to fit with my 1/2 inch hose bib. We're going to put this hole down here at the bottom of the barrel so that all of our water is going to be able to drain out that bottom. You want to do it about 2-3 inches up from the top. Hold this steady. There we go. And then, while we have the drill out, I'm actually going to put a couple holes in our lid so that we can cut in the hole where our downspout's going to go. This one I'm going to do it off the table so we don't ruin our nice table. You want to space these about as far apart as about your drain downspout. If it helps, you can always measure that. So this is what I just did. I just put a couple holes in here, and after we get our hose bib installed in our barrel, I'll cut this out using our utility knife. So now we're going to install our hose bib. So we'll need two of the washers, or the O-rings and each of the washers. So first we'll put on washer, then the O-ring around the outside, get that all the way down to the bottom there, and we'll use some of our silicone caulk to help seal this. Put a bead of the silicone caulk around that O-ring. This can get a little messy. You may want to have some paper towels on hand if it gets a little messy. This will help seal our rain barrel and make sure that it is watertight. There we go. Just a little bit of caulk. Seal that back up. And then we'll use our coupling with the threads in there. We'll screw this in. So this just should screw in pretty straightforward here. Here we go. So we're going to screw that in. Then what we'll do is once get that in a good position, we'll take our coupling, reach down in from the inside,
and screw the coupling onto the hose bib. You may want to use the pliers to help.
Once we get that tightened down as best we can, there we go, we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Our next step is actually going to be putting our screen, this came off of an old window, onto our rain barrel here. So I cut our screen big enough to fit over the top. This will help keep any debris or any leaves and sticks and bugs out of your rain barrel. Be using a stapler to staple it on, put on some safety glasses. I'll just do a couple staples into each end, just enough to hold it down. The lid will also help with this. There we go. Our next step is going to be cutting our hole for our top. This is where your downspout will go. Remember, safety first. Please be careful when using the utility knife. If you find a pair of scissors is easier, feel free to use a pair of scissors instead. There we go. And we'll put this on top. Help secure that down. And there we go. We have a rain barrel. It is now ready to be used. So what you do is you would install it at your house, set it up on some blocks, and stick your downspout down into here.
And this is what the rain barrel looks like when it's set up with the downspout.